Hey guys, Bas from X-Force again. Now today I've got a special blaster, a blast from the past. This blaster I got about a year and a half ago, and I had one of my shipments and that was intercepted by customs, and then it took me about 14 months to actually get through the case, and this is one of the blasters they released. They took a whole heap of other blasters. Anyway, so when I did order it, I ordered looking at, it was a picture that sort of came at the front. It was quite big, so I was expecting a much bigger blaster, but it actually is basically a hand one that goes on your hand like that, so you can actually shoot quite easily move. So this is all hopper fed. Now this is I'll turn the box around so you can see. This is done by Lahui Toys. So I mean, they're quite a well-known brand now in the blaster industry, and it's basically call it a Transformers gun, some kind like that. Anyway, now I'll get down to the basics of it. So you get your glasses and your bottles, and it comes with your battery is a 6 volt. Now I just chucked the 7.4 in there because I can't deal with 6 volts anymore. So I just chucked the pistol one in here. So basically it's not the biggest thing. It does spin, alright, and it does come with a flashlight, which is really cool. So you know, that comes off, so you can put your own flashlight or something else on there. And I'm not even sure what that is. Maybe I'll see when I shoot it. Alright, so your hopper fed goes through the top there. It shoots 7/8. Now for those of you that said, you know, obviously some kids thing, just have an open mind about it, right? Because I think this blaster has potential. We did look at maybe, oh yeah, you know, you can probably put a Gen 8 or something in it. But that's going to be possible. A little bit of a paint job, it would actually be alright. Now, my thought on it was, if you're out doing your skirmish, right, and you're out there bang bang shooting, somebody rocks up, bang, you can just turn around. You don't have to worry about a sidearm. You've got this thing, right? So you're running like this, bang bang bang. Somebody comes from behind you, you're ready to go. Right? So that was my idea, right? So don't be stealing it. But all in all, great for kids. I think, you know, strap, you know, it's got a little strap. That's a bit dodgy, but it does the trick. All right, so strap it on and off you go. So your trigger's there. So you do is just bang. I'll turn it on and sort of show you sort of alright, so that is on 7.4. It's got a little bit more speed. There's really not a lot to it. I mean, it just looks like all mechanical and right, settle down. So yeah, a bit of a paint job would certainly get that you know, looking a bit different, I'm sure. On and off, and off she goes. So yeah, I don't know what that button does, or if it does anything. It doesn't really give too much information other than that. Yeah, flashlight, that, there. Yeah, no. So yeah, like I said, shoot 7.4s. I'm gonna chuck some. I might chuck some STDs in this. Not the STD that you're thinking about, you know what I mean? It does hold a fair few in there, so that's pretty good. See how he rolls, huh? Ooh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's go test this sucker out. Ah, before I do go, I should just point out the battery was in there. Alright, so it does come with a screw, which I didn't bother putting it because it does slide out, so it's not like something that's just going to come off. So that slides in, doesn't really come out, so I don't bother with the screw. But battery compartment's not overly big. You can certainly chuck one of the bigger 7.4s in there, but I don't think it's going to be one of those blasters that people are going to go and do a whole lot of shooting with. So like I said, for kids, awesome. For that other idea, I think it's pretty good. And for somebody that's going to want to do something crazy with it, I'd be quite interested to see what some of your minds come up with. So let's go shoot this thing. Alright, so like I said, our new range is about 14, close to about 14 meters, right? So for our new friend here, the Gatling, I don't know, what do you want to call it? Oh shit, let me turn that off. The hand Gatling gun, yeah. This is going to be a pretty good test, I think. Alright, so we'll turn that off, I mean, and yeah, so I mean, we know it does, you know, the 15 meters, because that's yeah, a good 15 meters. I'd call it probably around even, you know, 17 at best. I wouldn't go any further than that with it. So I mean, your close encounter stuff, definitely the way to go. You know, that's a cool looking unit. That you gotta admire the workmanship there, and the fact that it's on your hand and you've actually got, you know, you still got your hand there and you can you know, still use another blaster. I think that's really good. All right, so that's the Gatling gun for today, and yeah, all I can say, yeah, you know, if you went back about 2 years, this would have been really cool. Let me turn that off again. And these days, it is what it is. You know, I'm not gonna butter it up and call it something else. It's a cool little toy, and I'll just leave it to that. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, like, follow, and share our page, and stay safe. Don't do anything silly.